How to share project on CapCut PC. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. So there is no simple way on how you can share project on CapCut PC because there is no direct option for it. However, I'm going to show you a workaround. So here I have this project here, and if I want to share this project to another PC, first, click on the project and it's going to open up like this. Now, you can click anywhere over here and you're going to find the location of this project. So here at the top, you can find details, and from here you can find the saved option, and here you can find the location of this project, where it is saved in the PC. So you can go to this PC and then go to this exact location and find your project. Now click on modify option here, and here as well you can find the same details. So now you can go to the exact location that's here on your PC, and from there you can copy the file and send that file to another computer via mail or Google Drive or any other medium. Now, one thing you have to make sure while doing this is if it is set to keep in original place, then you have to change that to copy to project option. That's because when it's in keep in original place, then all the elements might not be copied when you share it to another PC. So make sure you have selected the other option and then click on save. After this, you will be able to share your project on another PC. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.